Pour from the top.
So the month of May was a very long month for both the students and the staff, and especially Miss Castañeda. Where's Miss Castañeda? Where's she hiding? Come over here. So this wonderful individual was locked up in a closet for pretty much 6 weeks of the ending of the school year, getting ready all of your testing materials, making sure that everybody came to school, making sure that everybody took the test. So I would like to thank her for surviving 6 weeks of testing and for helping the staff get through it all. And now the reason why we are here. I would like to give the biggest thank you to my teachers. You are a wonderful staff, and I always say I can't do this without you. I know that I always believe in my staff and in the students, but this year you have outperformed yourselves with our fast scores. So I would like to congratulate absolutely everybody in this entire building for the outstanding scores on the 2024 FAST test. Based on the results that we have seen so far, we are predicted to have an A in the elementary middle and an A in our first year of having a high school. And at this time, I would like to recognize a few students. So students, if you hear your name, please come over here. These students had a perfect score on the FAST exam. In 3rd grade math, we have David Santana. Is David here today? In 5th grade science, we have Claudia Duarte. In 6th grade English, Alonso Lopez Abdala and Christopher Morales. In 8th grade English, Laura Quesada. In biology, also Laura Quesada and Grecia Cairo. And in civics, Sebastian Alcalde.
Come over here.
So a huge congratulations to these students who again had perfect scores on their FAST test. Okay, squeeze together so you can get a picture. Squeeze together.
Ese son. Yeah. I sold this one.
Another thing that we take huge pride in is the number of students who are already earning college credits while they are here attending PNP. The following students were enrolled in our dual enrollment program and have successfully completed the school year and who have already earned their first college credits. So the following students, when I call your name, we would like to recognize our dual enrollment program. Alex Capellan, Mercedes Castañe, Carlos Castano, Chantal Fernandez, Freddy Figueroa, Clismer Fuentes, Natalie Hernandez, Andrew Hernandez, Andres Neira, Gabriel Omana, Abril Rosas, Amaya Toscano, Katie Aguirre, Samuel Alvarez, Daniela Aragon, Franklin Garcia, Victoria Garcia, Brian Gomez, Andrew Gonzalez, Mia Gonzalez, Sebastian Guevara, Alexia Junco, Oscar Junco, Gabriel Lopez, Joanna Obregón, Gonzalo Quintanilla, Lily Soler, Penelope Doval, and Ainhoa Villalba. So these students already have college transcripts with college credits. So congratulations to all of our dual enrollment students. And next year, as per Mr. Perez, our sponsor, we will have over 70 students enrolled in our dual enrollment program.
Ready? Here we go, 1, 2, 3. Perfect.
Kids, stay over here on the side somewhere.
Bro, Gabriel just got here.
So this was also a very special year because our Pinecrest North Prep High School opened with our first freshman class, so we're very excited about that. And not only did we have our first freshman class, but we also had our first AP class. So these students are also receiving college credits once we receive their AP exam scores in July. So I would like to recognize these students as well. So students from AP, when I call your name, please come forward. Ethan Andrade, Santiago Araujo, Jason Bazan, DeAngelo Cabrera, Diego Campino, Jacobo Campo, Alex Capellan, Andres Capellan, Mercedes Casagne, Carlos Castano, Gabriela Chamorro, Kenneth Daly, Sofia Delgado, Brian Diaz, Gina Estrada, Chantal Fernandez, Mia Fernandez, Freddie Figueroa, Albert Garcia, Andrew Hernandez, Natalie Hernandez, Joshua Marrero, Matthew Maya, Jahel Rosado, Diego Moreno, Andres Neira, Alfredo Olivera, Gabriel Omana, Mariano Perez Pirela, Versalles Robleto, Abril Rosas, Renny Tielves, Natalia Torres, and Amaya Toscano. I would also like to thank Miss Yanes. Where's Miss Yanes? Who's on the second floor? For teaching this class for the very first time and working through the growing pains of teaching our first AP class. So thank you, Miss Yanes, for all your efforts. And next year we will be offering 2 additional AP classes aside from this one, so our number of students will also increase in AP enrollment. So congratulations to these students who will also be earning college credits this summer. So not only do we have successes academically, but I would also like to thank our athletic director, Mr. Pacheco. And I know we've recognized our sports, but I would like to recognize them again for all of their successes this year. Our cheerleading team, soccer, girls volleyball, boys basketball. And hopefully next year we will have additional sports as well. Where's Mr. Pacheco? So we will have baseball and cross country and boys volleyball next year. And now I'm passing this along to Ms. Hidalgo, who has a special presentation.
Cross country is running a lot, like a couple miles.
Couple.
Are you a cross country?
No.
Eighth grade band, please come.
They did have.
Eighth grade band.
Jason, a little bit more forward without getting the lens.
Yeah.
It's not
want
getting.
to.
It's not?
It's not getting.
Yeah.
It's a bit up though.
It's turning off?
No, it's a bit up, like it's facing up, but changing is so hard.
Changing what?
Like you can barely, they're really at the bottom. That's what I mean. Like you can't even see the light.
Okay, let's stop a second.
No.
Oh my god.
So they just had to make the shirt launch.